Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the essentials. The Google account and phone number must match the backup. Once confirmed, install WhatsApp Business from the Play Store and open it. When prompted for permissions, allow contacts and storage so the app can detect the Google Drive backup. This is why permissions matter. Make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi and has enough battery. A large backup can take many minutes. Once done, tap Continue to proceed to phone number verification. After you verify the phone number with the SMS or call code, WhatsApp Business automatically looks for a Google Drive backup tied to that account. When the Restore prompt appears, choose Restore to begin downloading messages. This transfers your chat database first because messages are needed for consistent indexing. Media files may download after the initial restore, so be patient. Heavy media libraries take longer. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi and do not interrupt the app. Once the message restore finishes, tap Next to let the app finish by configuring your business profile and checking chats for completeness. The app rebuilds conversations after message restore, so scroll through a few threads. If some media are missing, open each chat and let WhatsApp download attachments in the background. This often continues for hours with large libraries. If no backup was found, recheck the exact Google account, confirm the backup date in Drive, and verify storage permissions. If still unsuccessful,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.